Alrighty, so normally whenever I make my smoothies, I add a couple of frozen bananas and 2 scoops of cappuccino powder. And I blend that together and it tastes pretty good. I call it the I Gotta-takka-crappa-chino because it'll definitely make you go. But today I'm trying it with a little bit of strawberry flavoring. I can't say the whole name, but you get the idea. And I wanted to see if it tastes like a chocolate covered strawberry. Alright, so this is the regular Gotta-takka-crappa-chino. Giving it a try. That tastes just like good old cappuccino. Alrighty. Does this taste like a strawberry covered chocolate? That would be awesome. Oh, dude, it totally does. Okay, so here's the trick. 2 scoops of this, 2 scoops of this, several frozen bananas just up to here. Leave about that much of a gap and fill it with whatever kind of milk you want to use. I use skim milk. And then whenever you blend it, it makes everything all frothy because you left the air up here. So it makes a nice frothy smoothie. And this one tastes like chocolate covered strawberry. Woo! I made a new flavor. Hope you learned something.